Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech for Gamers. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the map in Temple Run 2. To change your map in Temple Run 2, first of all, open up the Temple Run 2 application on your device and from the home page, go ahead and tap on the map icon at the bottom left. You will then be able to browse through the list of available maps such as Holy Festival, Sky Summit, Blazing Sands, etc. Tap on the map that you'd like to play. If it is locked, you will need to spend coins or gems, watch an ad, or complete certain missions. After choosing one of the maps, you can then tap on the play button and start running on the new map. That is how to change maps in Temple Run 2. Pick your favorite world and start your adventure now. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. I'll see you in the next video. Stay tuned. Till then.